Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview A200 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, on one of the pages you should have a screen recording toggle. For me it is right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up this pop-up right here, start recording with the screen recorder. You're gonna select OK. Once you're done, you can click on that red square and this will automatically save the screen recorder. Once the video is saved, you can find it in your Photos application. And you want to navigate to Library, and it looks like it's going to be located in Movies, but I am going to quickly check if it's also not under Screenshot, and it's not. So select Movies, and you can see it already playing back. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.